Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Pocket AI Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket AI Trading app on your device and then click on the registration button to create your new account. Now you can enter your email address to sign up. After entering your desired email address, type in the password that you would like to set for your account. And you can also enter a promo code if you have one. Then tap on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions, and then tap on registration. You will now be taken into your Pocket AI trading account right away. Tap on the continue button and then choose your country as well as your desired currency. Now you can start by making your deposit or go to the platform immediately. Now finally, you will need to complete the verification of your email address. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on profile. Then tap on profile once again, and then you will get the email verification pop-up. Tap on continue and now check your inbox. Within your inbox, you will find an email from Pocket Option AI. Tap on verify email and now your email has successfully been verified and you can now start using the Pocket AI trading platform. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Pocket AI trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.